Frosty na Shaktana Sawalya 2. Play and pause this video as you move down through the page. By Friday, try to be able to answer the questions without looking at the answers. Chok, Tig, T, Arson, Bungalow. Marshin, ar fall, Fuin Tua, sa Cahar. Fáilte, Céard ba wat leat. Ba wat lum Chok I Ceannach. Cén sort T? T Moor, Arson, Bungalow. Ar wat leat Cardín agus Garáiste. Ba wat, níor wat. Cén áit a ba wat leat a bheith I do chonaí. Fuin Tua, sa Cahar. Cé bhéad I do chlann tá duine gur trúr ceathrar cúigear seisir seachtar uachtar néanóir deithnóir imar chlann. An bhfuil staire ag teastáil uait. Tá staire ag teastáil uam. Tá brón orm níl aon tig mar sin ar fáil. Welcome. What would you like? I would like to buy a house. What sort of house? A big house? Apartment, bungalow. Would you like a garden and a garage? I would like. I wouldn't like. What place would you like to live? In the countryside? In the city? How many in your family? There are in my family. Do you need a stairs? I do need a stairs. I'm sorry, there is no house like that available. Notice how the answer to Céard ba wat leat is ba wat lum. Leat changes to lum. We say Chok a Ceannach, house to buy. It just means I would like to buy a house. In the question, it's Cé bhéad I dotlan, so in the answer the do changes to mo. With staire ag teastáil uait, in the answer it changes from uait to Tá brón orm, I'm sorry. Use orm for all sorts of emotions like tá imni orm, I'm worried. Tá diffo orm, I'm in a hurry. Tá farag orm, I'm angry. Tá tart orm, I'm thirsty. Tá agla orm, I'm scared. Tá una orm, I'm surprised. Tá áhas orm, I'm happy. By Friday, try to answer the questions without looking at the actual answers. You must say the sentences out loud. That's the only way you'll get confidence in speaking Irish. So say them out loud.